Mr. Peace here. Just got done sharing my heart for a second time at Mackay School, located in Tenafly, New Jersey. Spoke at all the elementaries these last couple weeks here in October 2019, part of the Respect Week and part of my East Coast tour for this semester. And it was just an honor to be back again. We spoke on bullying, looking at someone's heart first, like you would your own best friend, seeing them for their heart first before anything else. That's when I came last school year. This year we built on that. So the focus was on diversity and moving towards the gym. That's where the presentations took place. I got to speak to kindergarten through fifth grade students and staff. And what was really incredible was how many of them remembered what we talked about last year, that we truly do need to respect everyone around us, really celebrate and honor their differences, which diversity means, not only on the outside, how they look, how they're born, their skin color, their background, their culture, where they're from, how they walk, talk, act, think, see, hear, all those things, but also on the inside. The things that we're good at, the things that we're not good at, our talents, our abilities, that we still really, truly appreciate all of that as well, because all of it's diversity, and we really have to show this kindness. This world needs it. So just like the shirt that I wore for this talk, the need human kindness, with the peace sign inside the heart, that's where peace has to begin, right? And we can all show this kindness. We can all show this love. I love around the gym how they have so many different banners talking about responsibility and respect and collaboration, being a Mackay champion. But the one that really tied into today's focus, which is the sub-theme of needing human kindness, was this one right here: kindness, showing you care, helping people in need, forgiving others, expressing gratitude. And it's so important that we show this kindness because it's not just done to the person that we show it to, it's any other person that witnesses that, in our presence, that hears that positive word, that sees that kind action, that it might potentially change their heart too, maybe even transform their heart to now want to go give that kindness to someone else, and not only be able to hopefully see their own worth and value, but then help someone else see that too, be the light to their heart. Just like the M in all of our palms, right? M for miracle, W upside down for worthy, that we're worthy of love, that we give it and receive it, that we know that we deserve it truly. But now that we truly buy into this, right, the M also for Mackay, that we now go out into this planet and this world and start to hopefully change some hearts and affect people that really need it. And it's always inspiring me because these schools, you guys are beautiful, and so many students that had them on their hands. I got to meet the Peace Builders Club too, the fifth graders, and it was just an honor to see that so many of them at a young age are taking that torch, are going to start to embrace all the lessons that we've spoken on and put it a part of their lives at this young age. It's just super, super motivational to me, and I hope everyone keeps doing the same thing that they're doing here at this school. It's an honor to be a part of your Respect Week. Keep respecting everyone. Keep believing your miracles. You guys are worth everything. You guys are beautiful. You guys touch my heart. I hope to be back again. Until then, make sure that you hit the subscribe button that's going to pop up right here. Hit the notification bell to get future updates for videos like this. Also check out the other video playlist, some other great clips about my journey across this nation as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. And check out the website too for more information on where I'm spreading peace and kindness across this nation. Much love. Peace.